When I read through this, my first reaction is, what is excise duty? Excise duty is a levy you impose on goods manufactured at home in Nigeria, as opposed to import duty, which you impose on goods imported from outside. I do not think, with profound respect to my distinguished colleagues, that anything manufactured in Nigeria, that we should impose a tax on it. Because to impose a tax on it is to punish people for producing at home. Whether it is soft drink, it is sweet drinks. The only area in which this might make some sense to me is, for example, things like tobacco. Because it has been very well established that tobacco causes cancer. Any law to prohibit the manufacture of tobacco or to impose high excise duty on it in order to discourage people from smoking, I can see the wisdom. But I drink beer, which contains, by some definition, it may well contain some sugar. And now you put excise duty such that it might become cheaper to import than to produce at home. I think excise duty is not appropriate in this environment at a time when we are trying to ensure that we promote local manufacturing and support the local manufacturing base, which is already virtually disappearing. So I think we have to be careful not to be looking at revenue. Let's not be like the man who sells coffin. And when there is an epidemic, people die, he sells a lot of coffins, and so he makes a lot of money. I don't think government is also about making money. You must make money from sources that are helpful and are consistent with clear-cut national objectives. I don't think we should support and I oppose any bill that seeks to impose costs or tax or levy on anything manufactured or produced in Nigeria, including this one. Therefore, I suggest that this bill should be terminated at this point.
Well, I think he has made sense, and not even that.